soy.
Sorang siya.
Narakap YouTube.
YouTube lang.
It's been a
Le.
while since he has
Le,
left.
ka.
Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ang galing ako sa tindahan guys. Yung klima ngayon dito ay umuulan. Yung bihira lang umulan dito sa Saudi Arabia, kaya ayan, binibigyan ko na rin kasi sayang naman. At least may souvenir na rin. And I hope enjoy watching guys. Thank you.
Thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day.
Ayan guys, sumakit ako dito sa rooftop namin. Ayan, may sumama pa sa akin yung pusa. Ayan, kahit saan ako magpunta, kahit kanina sa tindahan, kasama ko rin yung pusa namin. Ayan, pusang gala siya, sa labas siya ng bahay namin nakatira. Ayan. Pero pinapakain namin siya, binibili rin namin ng cat food. Mabait naman kasi, kaya ayun, naalagaan namin. Actually, ang daming pusa rito nagkalat guys. Ang gaganda ng mga pusa dito guys.
I know I got a lot of stuff, and honestly it makes me terrified of showing it to you. But my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never leave, and I'm hoping that it's true. So baby,